Welcome to another episode of Absolute Talks. I am Jack and this is Conrad.
Since our previous Absolute Talks, where we launched our Stage Synergy LF solution to help our surgeons better achieve patient acceptance with these large cases, we've been inundated with questions from our customers.
The question most asked was if this is the LOCATOR FTX system, and the answer is no. This is a brand new and extremely innovative solution from Zest Dental.
That's right. Zest launched this LOCATOR Fixed solution in 2022, but it was only available for a select few customers to make sure that it was pre-market tested. What makes this solution such a great idea is the fact that it utilizes the exact same workflow a clinician uses to restore a LOCATOR clip denture.
And as we all know, Zest locators are one of the most used clip attachments and best understood clinical workflows in the world.
Definitely. Furthermore, the Zest LOCATOR Fixed is processed in a fully digital workflow, and because we capture most of the data very efficiently at the surgery stage, our restorative clinicians can restore these cases in as little as 2 appointments.
Oh, nice. At the implant torque check appointment, our surgeon will capture the last data set, which is the healed tissue position. This data set is then released to the lab to restore the final or transitional hybrid.
Another exceptional advantage of the LOCATOR Fixed is that it offers us the ability to convert an existing LOCATOR clip denture into a fixed solution. And all of this is done at a very affordable price. This solution now even allows a clinician the ability to change from a failing acrylic denture into a fixed zirconia hybrid very predictably and with a workflow we all understand.
Now, as we said in our previous episode, the fact that we do not have any screw access holes on these hybrids positively influences the strength and definitely the longevity of these hybrids.
Having the ability to stage the restorative process allows for a much lower entry point at surgery, and because it gives a patient time to get financially ready, we have seen better patient acceptance. With this solution, Zest really provided us with an exceptional way to create better patient acceptance for these often very expensive full arch cases. It also gives us a very economical zirconia or even printed acrylic hybrid solution. And it's very easy to convert a patient from clips to fixed.
So many great options here. My team and I are ready to not only talk to you about this solution, but also very excited to restore your next case with you.
You seem very excited.
I am excited.
Please don't hesitate to give him or me a call at 1-844-293-2371. Or you can just visit us at absolutedentallab.com and download your Zest LOCATOR Fixed protocol manual.
Thank you for joining us on another episode of Absolute Talks.
I'm Conrad.
I'm Jack.